Here arises the importance of learning different structures or word orders of exclamatory sentences in English. Therefore, structures of exclamatory sentences are discussed below. Different structures of exclamatory sentence. Learning different types of structures or word orders of exclamatory sentences in English helps you identify how they actually work in the English language. Therefore, go through the below given structures of exclamatory sentences that are most commonly used while constructing exclamatory sentences. Number 1, exclamatory sentence beginning with what. This type of exclamatory sentence starts with what and ends with a punctuation mark. The correct word order: A. What plus article plus noun plus subject plus verb. Example: what an idiot you are. B. What plus article plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. Example: what a lovely daughter you are. Number 2, exclamatory sentence beginning with how. This type of exclamatory sentence begins with how and ends with a punctuation.